All right, here is my second part of this lesson, and we're going to go ahead and it says for each triangle, write the sine, cosine, and tangent ratios for each acute angle. And this is very important to remember, is it says simplify fractions if possible. Okay, so we have our triangle here, and we notice that we're using angle D first, and then we're using angle E. So for sine of D, again, reminding it's opposite over hypotenuse, we're at angle D, and what is opposite? 15. And the hypotenuse then, of course, is the side across from the right angle, which is 17. 15 over 17 cannot be simplified, so we're done with that one. Cosine of D, remember that's adjacent over a hypotenuse. So D, we have adjacent, which is 8, and hypotenuse, which is 17. Then we have tangent of D. So tangent is opposite over adjacent, so then that's going to be 15 over 8. Okay. Now we're going to look at it in reference to angle E. So if we're at E, opposite is 8 over 17. Cosine of E is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's going to be 15 over 17. And then we have opposite over adjacent for tangent. Opposite is 8 and adjacent is 15. Okay? So none of these did we have to simplify, but I do want you to look here. When we're referencing angle D, these are the ratios. When we reference angle E, these are the ratios. Do you notice anything that they may have in common? These here are the same, and these are the same. Because remember, opposite and adjacent refer to based on which angle you're looking at. Okay? And tangent for D and E are just reciprocals of each other. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and let you work through number 2, and then we'll come back.